top
part
without
of your lung?
involving abdominal muscle.
Okay, so abdominal breathing is your diaphragmatic breathing from the bottom of your lung,
Exactly.
right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Those exercises,
Hmm.
lot of pranayama, methods are there. They can start on that.
Okay.
Then this huskiness
Hmm.
will have to be looked at little more with more concern.
Okay.
Not only breath support, they might have to start doing gargling in the night,
Hmm.
steam inhalation with the mouth open,
Okay.
not very close to the water surface, little away.
Okay.
This will remove the inflammation of the day. It's like a daily maintenance.
Okay, daily maintenance.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
So then they have to observe. After all this, with the breathing corrections or breathing exercises, steam inhalation, they have to check the voice. But before all this, are they drinking enough water?
Okay, hydration is...
Extremely important. You may not be having a clinical dehydration, but you may be having a vocal hydration, which the body will manage. So you need to have a lot of water. All of us should be drinking a lot of water,
Okay.
especially those who use the voice extensively. You don't even have to be a professional voice user. You just can be a person who talks a lot.
Okay, okay.
Everyone has to drink a lot
Hot
of water.
or cold or...
Room temperature.
Room
Only when
temperature.
you have a pain, you should have, I should be ideally drinking warm water now because I'm in an air-conditioned room.
Got it.
But if you go on drinking warm water, it'll dry. It'll even remove the necessary lubrication.
Okay.
Ah,
So too much of hot water is also
bad.
Bad.
Only
Okay.
need-based.
Need-based.
Need-based. But water and sleep. There are case studies where we find singers or even non-singers having voice issues because they don't sleep well and sleep in the night, not
Okay.
during the day.
Oh, so they need to keep an eye on the performances they do and...
sleep very well.
Very well. Okay.
The well-rested body is a well-rested vocal system. The supporting functions like respiration, resonation, articulation, mind, everything has to be there because like any other part of the body,
Okay.
vocal system is also
Vocal
aging.
system is aging.
Aging. Elasticity.
So
So-
when we spoke about
Sleep.
the sleep,
Water,
water, breathing
exercises,
breathing
steam
exercises,
inhalation.
steaming inhalation, right? And
These are very
the maintenance, hygiene for...
Yes, vocal hygiene is extremely important.
Okay. Will the voice get better or is it just for maintenance?
Of course, it'll get better.
It'll get better.
You're tiring the voice. The impact in the night is the voice is very gruffy. That will reduce.
Okay.
If you maintain well, the voice will definitely get better.
And your impact for your presentations or the way you
Yes.
communicate with people, all that is also going to change on a
because
daily
just
basis.
imagine I need to address my family, the organization, and I have a very tough, gruff voice. I'm not enjoying my own talking. Isn't it? I'm taking effort and talking.
It's
so
forced.
I'll wait forced. So I may even curtail the content, the duration. All that will change. You won't feel that, I'm taking effort to speak. It's no more a task. In fact, I'm requesting all teachers in teacher syndrome, vocal syndrome is there. I'm requesting maths teachers and all the social studies teachers to go through this regime. Of
teachers of
subject
schools
teachers,
and
schools,
okay.
I request them to follow all this. Some of them have acid reflux. With that, they're talking, with that inflammation there.
Got it.
So then I tell them, look at your diet. So now I'm shouting out from the rooftop, after 6 p.m., don't take any gluten content, wheat, maida, avoid.
Okay.
Because it takes a longer time to digest.
Longer time to digest.
For anybody for that matter, you don't have to be a singer to have a cooperative voice. Everyone needs a cooperative voice.
Okay.
And this is one function of the body which is just taken for granted. Talking and talking and talking. We all come with a prescribed number of hours of work. Just like when you buy a TV, a fridge, the number of hours is prescribed. We have for everything, for our joints, heart, all of us have. It's already prescribed.
Okay.
But we are overusing it.
Overusing it.
Yeah. And we are hastening the process of decline.
Okay.
So now if I have to have 5 to 6 consultations a day, I need to talk a lot. After that, mandatory voice rest I need.
Hmm.
And nowadays I'm finding it difficult even to raise my volume because I've used so much, you know.
Hmm. Hmm.
So raising the voice or repeating something is, I feel sad, you know. Okay, I should have saved my voice.
Okay, you're
like
putting
that.
more effort.
Because I'm
on that.
also a professor of vocal music, so I teach vocal music.
Hmm. Hmm.
I have my own institution.
Okay.
So I have to take care of that.
Okay.
And I'm aging.
Okay.
So
So, is there any time of the day where you kind of just keep quiet?
yeah, afternoons.
Afternoons. Okay.
Yeah,
You don't want to talk.
No, no,
You,
no.
you just want to rest.
Yeah, yeah.
Rest your voice.
Yeah, all the more important because if someone tries to talk to me or I'm just lying down, something very noisy around me, I get angry. Anger is
Okay.
bad for the voice. So,
Okay.
so it's all very connected.
Connected. Okay. Okay. And how do you strengthen? Can you strengthen one's voice, or is it very custom?
You can
Custom
strengthen
made.
the
You
voice.
can strengthen.
Yes.
Is it?
To an extent. As
Okay.
I told you, you can't change a voice totally.
Hmm.
We can improve upon the strength
Hmm.
and teach the person to handle the weakness of the voice. Every voice will, the percentage differs.
Got it. Hmm.
You can strengthen the voice. There are mainly breathing exercises.
Hmm. You can improve your voice. Is it? Okay. Okay.
Definitely.
And what would be your so we come to the finale of the question, right? What would be your hacks? Let's say 5 hacks. We discussed the inhalation and that thing,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
But to strengthen, like a quick, you're getting into a presentation.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you do now? Do these 5 hacks, and you can manage the situation.
So first,
Hmm.
deep breathing,
Deep
abdominal breathing.
Okay.
And
Take deep breaths before
Yeah.
the presentation.
presentation.
Okay.
Abdominal breathing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not shallow deep breaths.
Okay.
Abdominal breathing.
Okay.
And if you know it earlier,
Hmm.
see that you are well hydrated from the previous day. And if you know it only in 2 hours' time,
Okay.
drink plenty of water.
Plenty of water. Okay.
Not immediately before, then you will have to,
Got it. Hmm.
you'll be disturbed in
Okay.
between.
Okay.
So, plenty of water, breathing
Hmm.
technique,
Hmm.
and just be calm.
Calm.
Calm. And nowadays, I'm advising everybody, whoever comes to me, to say, try to speak in a higher pitch, not volume.
In a higher pitch.
Pitch.
Okay.
Higher pitch.
How would that be?
See,
Higher-
for example, now I'm talking to you like this. I'm going to request you to speak like this so that there is less strain on my vocal cords.
Okay. So this is a higher pitch.
Pitch, yeah. I'm not talking about volume.
Okay.
It is only the pitch.
Okay.
I have raised my pitch now when I'm talking to Gopal. I was speaking to Gopal like this.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So this, actually, I can sustain my voice longer here.
At a higher pitch,
Pitch.
you
For
can.
anybody,
Hmm.
it is less strain here.
Okay.
Directly on the vocal cords.
So higher
But
pitch.
don't high pitch. Higher than the usual.
Higher
pitch.
than. So if you talk in a higher pitch, it has lesser strain on the vocal cords.
If you are an orator.
If you're an orator.
Not
okay.
when we are talking across
I
the
know.
table.
I mean, that would seem a little odd,
exactly.
right?
Yes, yes.
So you can do the higher pitch thing.
Yeah, because see, now this is my
Okay.
a natural space, vocal space. But when I have to address a larger crowd, even if I have amplification, a very